Hi, it's Connecticut car accident attorney Ryan McKeen here. Today I'm going to talk to you about a real trend that we are seeing, which is head-on, wrong-way accidents on Connecticut's highway. Recently, there was a head-on car accident on 691, a very, very busy highway, wrong-way driver. Why is this happening? It's happening because people commonly in these collisions are under the influence of drugs or alcohol. They get on the highway, they go the wrong way, and they cause such significant injuries. The amount of force that gets expended when two vehicles weighing all that they do crash into each other at 70 miles an hour results in oftentimes death or very, very significant injuries, crush injuries, life-altering injuries, paralysis. It's horrible. And really, I think as we sit here in 2022, I don't understand why car manufacturers don't have like shutoffs or don't know. With GPS and technology, it would appear that if you're going the wrong way on a highway, that the technology should exist to pull the vehicle over and stop to prevent these kinds of accidents. Because more and more people are drinking, people are on drugs. I don't know. I don't know what exactly the cause. I don't know if it's with cannabis being decriminalized, or if it's just more use of fentanyl, or just increased alcohol consumption that we've seen over the last 2 years in the pandemic. But we are seeing a lot of these accidents, and it's just so terrible and tragic. As we've talked to experts in these, the reality is that they're very, very hard to avoid, because cars, when they're coming at each other at those rates of speeds, there's very little time to maneuver. The driver who's under the influence of a substance, as almost they always are, their eyes may be drawn to the light. And again, if you're a driver, you've driven a lot of miles on the highway, and you probably haven't seen too many wrong-way vehicles. So even the time it takes to recognize that, whoa, wait a minute, this car's not going away from me, it's coming at me, the collision can happen. So when we see these accidents, we want to say, who owned the vehicle? Because that may be an insurance policy. Did somebody lend them the vehicle? Because that could be an insurance policy. Were they drinking at a bar or establishment that overserved them? Because that could be a dram shop claim. Also, what insurance did the person have who got hit? Is it an underinsured motorist claim? So there's a lot to consider here. These are serious accidents, serious injuries, life-altering or even fatal injuries. And what you're going to want to do is contact an experienced Connecticut car accident attorney. You can call me 24/7 or a member of my team, 877-CTF-WINS.